Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Saman here, your grammar teacher. Today we are going to study articles. I made the video on articles before as well, and in which I talked about the definite articles and indefinite articles both. In this video I'm just going to tell you about indefinite articles, and there are two types of indefinite articles, and an, and they are used before a singular countable nouns. It means that the things which are countable, what are nouns? Nouns are the names of person, place, animal or thing. It means that the things that we can name, they are called nouns. So for all those things, for all the nouns which are countable, we use a or an. And one most important thing, that and an, they are used with the countable nouns, but they are not used with the plural nouns. For example, if I say an apple, I cannot say an apples, because and an, they are used with the countable nouns, but with the singular noun, not with the plural nouns. So these and these are indefinite articles. Now we are going to see then where we use them. First, you should know the concept of vowels and consonants. What are vowels and what are consonants? Vowels are, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and all the other alphabets other than vowels, they are called consonants, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These all are consonants, and these A, E, I, O, U, only these 5 are vowels. Now we will see the use. First, we are going to see that when we use a is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant. It means that the word which is having a consonant sound, we use a with them. For example, a cat, a bicycle. Here in these examples we can see that cat is starting from the letter C. C is a consonant letter, and bicycle is starting with B, and B is also a consonant. So with cat and bicycle we are using a cat and a bicycle. Now come to an. An is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel. For example, an elephant, an umbrella. In these two examples we can see that elephant is starting with E and umbrella is starting with U, and E and U both are vowels. So the words which are starting with the vowel sound, with them we use an elephant, an umbrella. Here in this picture, if we are having 2 elephants, then we will not say an elephants. It will be wrong, because an is only used with the singular noun, not with the plural nouns. Okay, an elephant and an umbrella. Now in this flow chart, it is very clear to you that when you have to use an and when you have to use a. We use an with words beginning with vowels A, E, I, O, U. We use a with words beginning with consonant sounds. We have seen that consonants are all the letters except vowels. They are called consonants. For example, when to use any word that begins with a vowel. For example, an apple, an egg, an iPad, an oven, an umbrella. Now we can see that all the alphabets, all the words, they are starting with the vowel sound. That's why we have used an over here. And the most important thing, that all these words are singular, not plural. When to use a, any word that begins with a consonant. A book, a dog bone, a town, a cup of coffee, a house, a drink. Now in these words, like B of book, D of dog, T of town, C of cup, H of house, and D of drink, all the first letters are all consonants. That's why we have used a with them. Now there is a little activity over here. We are going to see that with which nouns we are going to use a, or with which nouns we are going to use an. First I'm going to read out, then we are going to solve it together. Dash flower and dash butterfly, dash eye and dash hand, dash tree and dash frog, dash apple and dash egg, dash ambulance and dash bus, dash elephant and dash lion, dash banana and dash potato. Now just pause this video and solve it by yourself, and then in the next slide you will you will be given the answers, so you can check the answers later on. First try to solve it yourself. So these are the answers, you can check later on. A flower, because F is consonant, so we have used a flower, and a butterfly because B is consonant. An eye and a hand, because E is vowel, so we have used an eye, but H is consonant, so we have used a hand. A tree and a frog, both the first letters are consonant, so we have used a. An apple and an egg, here both the first letters are vowels, so we have used an apple and an egg. Dash ambulance and dash bus, an ambulance and a bus. Why? Because A is a vowel and B is consonant, so we have used a with bus and an with ambulance. An elephant and a lion, here we have vowel, and here we have for line we have the line is starting with consonant sound L, so a lion. A banana and a potato, both the first letters are consonant, so we have used a with both of them. We use a or an when we are talking about one thing in journal. Okay, that's what I was telling you, that we will not use a or an with the words or with the nouns which are in plural form. We always use them for the singular noun. For examples, look at the examples. Leila was born in a town in Japan. I sometimes have an egg and a cup of tea for breakfast. Now here you can see it's not written eggs. If it had been eggs, then we are not going to use an over here. Okay, so I sometimes have an egg, a single egg, and a cup of tea for breakfast. We will buy a sheep on Eid al-Azha. So you are going to buy one sheep, so a sheep on Eid al-Azha. I need a new book. Mine is too old. Do you have a pencil? Now here we have used singular. We are having singular noun pencil, so we have used just one article, that is a pencil, a new book. So I hope the things are clear to you, and this is very easy concept. Just you have to remember the sounds, and that if the word is starting with a vowel sound, you are going to use and with them, and if the word is starting with a consonant sound, you are going to use a with it. So there is another exercise, we are going to solve it. Fill in the blanks using articles a or an. Mary wants to buy dash orange dress. Now here orange is starting with the vowel sound, so we are going to write over here, and Mary wants to buy an orange dress. The school went on dash trip. So there was a single trip, and here T is consonant, so we are going to use the school went on a trip. Banu met with dash accident yesterday. Now accident is having a vowel sound, so we are going to use Banu met an accident yesterday. Can you tell us dash story? Can you tell us a story? I like to eat egg. And now here we are having only egg, one egg, so we will use a consonant, and if it would have been eggs, then we are not going to use any article. So I like to eat an egg. The dog caught a stick. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all, and if you have learned anything new from this video, do like it and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.